Are you taking advantage of affiliate programs in 2020? With everything that's going on, people are out of work, people are out of jobs, but you can still find ways to make money online. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Well, in fact, I'm going to bring in my friend to talk about that in this video. What's going on, everybody? Monty Weaver here. If you're brand new to the channel, I help you navigate through digital, tech, and social media. So if you need assistance in any of those areas, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you receive an alert every time I upload a brand new video. Now today I have a special guest for you all. I wanted to have someone come on here and talk to you all about the power of affiliate marketing. Now, if you're not familiar exactly what affiliate marketing is, it's simply this. It's the ability to sell other people's products, services, and promote their businesses, and you earn a commission in return for your efforts. Now, my buddy George, aka G Money, is an expert at this. He's been doing this for a long time. I wanted to invite him. I wanted him to explain to you all, really break it down, what it is, how you can get started, and some of the things that you need to pay attention to. Now, below almost every video that I post here on YouTube, I have some type of affiliate link to something I either recommend, maybe it's a product that I use, maybe it's just the pillow on the back couch there that you all ask about. And all of these recommendations allow me to earn some type of affiliate commission. And if you have a small channel, it doesn't matter. If you have a small audience, it doesn't matter, because chances are that you can definitely recommend something that you use. We do it all the time, every single day. So I want you to check out this interview that I had with my buddy George. If you have some questions, make sure you drop those down in the comment section. And if you like anything that you're hearing from George, I'm going to link to all his social media and his website information below so that you can definitely check him out. Now, without further ado, let's check out the interview. All right, welcome everyone. I have my good friend on here, Mr. Monetize Everything, Mr. George Pitts has volunteered his time and his knowledge to really help you, educate you on how you can monetize, especially with affiliate marketing. One of the things with YouTube is the fact that you get to reach a massive audience, and being able to reach new people that want to reach out to you and people that you're giving them answers to the questions. You can also refer them to things that aren't necessarily yours, which is just another way to monetize your channel. And so I couldn't think of anybody better to do this with than my good friend, George Pitts. George, thank you for doing this, brother. Welcome to the interview. I know you're going to drop a ton of knowledge, and I really appreciate you for it. So one of the reasons I wanted you on here is because I know this is your lane. This is what you do. And you know, I know how to do it, but it's your thing. And so one of my coaches, he's like, what is your one thing? And monetize everything, George, is yours. So George, can you like just introduce yourself to the audience and just kind of let them know how you got into this affiliate type deal, and then we'll kind of dive into there.
Yeah, so thank you so much for having me, my brother. I appreciate you. Me and Monty, we go a long way back. But my name is George Pitts. I'm a serial entrepreneur, real estate investor, author, speaker, business coach. And what I do is I help people take their knowledge and their information and what they know and package that up to monetize it in multiple different ways. I'm all about building multiple streams of income, and that's my strong point. And I can basically take someone, ask them a few questions, and knock out a full plan on what they need to do to start building their brand and building their skill sets and building their audience to basically be on fire for their information and for their content. So that's what I specialize in.
Awesome, awesome. All right, monetize everything. That's your slogan.
Yeah.
Break that down for me a little bit. That way the people know what they're about to get from you.
So whenever I say monetize everything, you have a lot of people out there that have all these skill sets, and they only they only use them for one thing. Some people use them as a hobby. Some people use them as just secondary skills, and some people use them as just a primary skill for their regular 9 to 5. And then at 5:01, they turn the skills off. And so what people don't understand is that, you know, for instance, you're a bookkeeper and you work for a local company, you manage their books and you do different things like that. But imagine what you're leaving on the table by many micro influencers like ourselves, or you know, business owners online that need someone to balance their QuickBooks or their Zero Books or whatever platforms they use. And you could literally monetize that. Not to mention, you could write a book on how to become a bookkeeper or how to properly manage your own books. And, you know, until you get to a place to where your business is growing and you need to hire someone. And the book even explains how to hire and find the right bookkeeper. So think of all these skills that a person has that they literally leave dormant after a certain period of time, meaning that they might work a 9 to 5, and then again at 5:01, it's like they go dormant until Monday morning at 9 o'clock again. That many people are missing out on thousands of dollars, many opportunities for different streams of income on that one skill set that they dominate on a daily basis, but they just refuse to use on a nightly basis.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love it. You know, one of the things that a lot of us that made the transition or in the process of making that transition from 9 to 5 to entrepreneur, side hustle, whatever we want to call it, typically that a lot of it aligns with what we're going to do for that our own personal business. So using that knowledge that we have and monetizing that effort just makes so much sense. And for those people that are watching this and your YouTube channel is going to be about something that's in your profession already, it just seems like you have the easiest, lowest hanging fruit to provide your expertise and knowledge, and creating your channel around what it is you already know is definitely something that you can do. George, I know I caught one of your videos and you were kind of telling people and encouraging people, like, there's a lot that you actually know that you don't give yourself enough credit for. And when people are looking for the answers, chances are you might have the answer. Can you kind of go into that? I know you had an awesome video on that.
Yeah, so, you know, one of the things about it is that think of how many times around like Thanksgiving or when you're with family or even when you're out with friends and a topic comes up that you know, and you just start, you know, just casually, yeah, well, you know, you do this and you do that. And one of the things that I did is this. And like for you, because you're just so used to doing it, it's something that's natural to you. It doesn't seem like a big deal, but to someone you just drop that on, it literally is like you know, the combination to a lock that's been on their life for many years. So one of the things that I always try to tell people to do, and if you're watching this, I would always recommend you do a self-inventory, an inventory of just everything that you know about a particular topic or subject. And then break down that topic or subject as to how you would explain it to your favorite cousin, your best friend, or someone that you know that you're like, if they just did this, their whole life could change. Or if they just did this, this, and this, they would get it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we all got that friend or that cousin that we're like, man, if they just did X, Y, and Z, life would be so much better for them, or their relationship would be better if they would just do this, this, and this stuff that just comes easy to you. And other people, you're just like, why don't they get it? That's what you need to focus on bringing up, because you got to understand that a person manifests themselves, you know, thousands of times to many other people. So if a person is, you know, very, very good at speaking, but they're not good at, you know, communicating on a one-on-one basis, there's millions of other people that have that same problem. You know, if you got a person that is very good at what they do, but they're not a good interviewer, they don't know how to, you know, talk and make eye contact and shake hands and, you know, not give too much or not give too less of an answer, there's millions of other people that have that same problem. So if you know one person that you know that the information or knowledge you have could change something in their life, that one person is about 100,000 other people minimum that have that same exact problem.
Why'd you have to say 100,000 people? Because it lines up perfectly with one of the videos that I did about how to live stream. I've been talking about live stream for years on multiple social media platforms. And I just said the same thing, you know, something that I've done a dozen times before. You know, it feels like, okay, I got to do this again. But like, there's this whole nother audience. And when you said 100,000, that video now on YouTube has 100,000 views. of something I talked about 4 years ago. So people are constantly looking for the answers. So it's just a matter of us putting the content out there. That way they can find us and we provide those answers.
Correct.
Let's get into some of the monetization pieces of it. With YouTube, you can generate revenue from AdSense. You can promote your own courses. You can get people to reach out to you for consultation sessions. You can also do something called affiliate marketing. And for people that have a very small YouTube channel with no followers, they don't necessarily have that business established yet. I think affiliate marketing is something that they can easily do on their channel to help them monetize that channel. Can you explain to people on a base level, what is affiliate marketing?
So affiliate marketing, very simple, is you are promoting someone else's product or service to your audience that should be within that niche to influence them. That's where the word influencer comes from, to go and purchase that product or service. So to break down an example, like my niche is business and finance, right? Personal finance, business. And so one of my affiliate, I'm a part of multiple affiliate networks. And one network I'm a part of is, I have an affiliate company that I do for a bank that gives very high interest on people's deposits that they make into their bank account. So if you make a deposit into this particular bank, you're going to get one of the highest returns on your money than any other bank in the country. And so that aligns with my brand, with my niche, as well as with my audience. So when I go out and I promote, like, look, if you're not looking to get into the stock market because you're afraid to lose money, you're not looking to get into real estate because you feel you don't have enough money or your credit's not there or you're just not something you want to do, you still should want to grow your money, even if it's not in the ways that most people feel are traditional. So instead of just throwing your money in a savings account that's giving you 0.25% interest, which is just as good as throwing it under a mattress, why not put it in an account that at least is going to give you 2 or 3, and you're producing some type of income for that? And then I go into the spiel of, this is the bank I recommend, this is why, this is the interest rate. And when a person signs up for a free savings account, then I get paid, an amount of money for them doing that, right? So if you've got an audience, like say for instance, you had 100,000 people that watched your YouTube video on live streaming, and you want to promote, like, I'll look at my webcam I'm looking at right now, a Logitech, I think this is the S910X. And you're like, this is what I use for live streaming. It's very good starter one. And you put an affiliate link out there from Amazon's affiliate program. If 10% of the people that watch that video decide, I want to get into live streaming, I want to get that camera, and they go and purchase that, and you're getting $10 for every person times 10,000, that's quite a bit of bread, And so that's what it is basically you're just promoting stuff that you already see. And one thing that I see with a lot of YouTube channels is, if you look in the descriptions, a lot of them say the camera used and it has a link. The lights used, ring light, it has a link. Those are all affiliate links. And I think that's just genius, because not only are you giving the information of what you're trying to convey to your audience, but then you're saying, if your audience is like, man, I like that dolphin, covering the background, or man, I love that YouTube pillow, or I love, what are those cameras? You're putting that in there because people are seeing that, and you're making money while people are getting answers to questions that they don't even have to ask you because you already answered.
Yeah,
There's multiple ways to do it.
One of the things that people always ask me is that computer gear, or what are you using, your tech gear? And so it's like, very quickly you find yourself, either you're going to keep answering this question over and over again and not get paid for it, or keep answering over and over again and get paid for it. So
right.
This makes more sense. So I love it how you said, just go ahead and put it in the YouTube description section, because people scroll down, and if they see something in your video or something that you mentioned, what the topic of the video is, they can easily just click on it and go to that particular site and buy it or sign up, and you earn a commission off of that. Right. One of the programs I like is the Amazon program. You talked about that. Can you like go into a little bit, like, is it difficult to get started with these affiliate programs? Do I got to pay money to get started with these programs? Like, what do I got to do to get started and make this easy?
It's very simple. You just need a platform, which most of you guys should have one by now. If you don't, you could use your platform of your Instagram page, your website, your YouTube channel. And then what you do is when you sign up for it, they just want to know, okay, how are you going to promote this? Are you going to promote it through your blog or website? Are you going to promote it through your influencer platform, which is Instagram, Facebook, YouTube? Are you going to do this through? And they have all these options, and you can check as many or as little as possible. And then they'll ask you, okay, what is the link to your YouTube channel, or what's the link to your Instagram page? And so, once you do that, and I'm looking on here right now. Once you do that, then what it'll do is it will go and they'll go and check you out. Okay, let's look at Monty's YouTube channel. And so I'm on your YouTube channel now. That reviewer might look at a couple of videos. Yep, he talks about tech. Yes, he talks about that. And then they approve you. So once you're approved, then they give you access to all these things that you can sell. So like with Amazon, it's called the Amazon affiliate. It's like Amazon affiliates or something like that. And you get a percentage of everything that you sell or that someone buys from your affiliate link. So say you're promoting a camera, and they click on that affiliate link and it takes them to Amazon. Not only do they buy that camera, but let's say they buy like the bag and they buy like the SD card. You get a percentage of everything on top of the one thing that you promoted. So Amazon has a great affiliate program for many people out there. And literally you have a limitless catalog of so many things, because think of how many times someone says, oh, I like your earrings in your video. Where'd you get them? Or, oh, I really love that, that bracelet. Where'd you get it from? Or I really like that, whatever. You don't mind answering those questions, because all you do is cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Because as soon as you say, oh, I got it here, here's the link. Use this link to purchase it, and then go and buy it. You're just getting something. You're getting paid for something that many people recommend or tell other friends and family where they got something, and they don't get a dime from it.
Yeah, isn't it nice for people to ask you, okay, where did you get it from? And you can give them an answer, and it doesn't feel like you're selling them anything, because it's just some odd reason. Like, they'll trust Amazon before they trust you to come to your online store. But if you say Amazon, I got it from here, then they'll just go and check out. And one of the things I didn't know about Amazon when I first signed up for the affiliate program, and you touched on it, is they might go there for that one thing, but they might add other things in their cart. And so not only are you getting a percentage of what you recommended, but you're getting a percentage of everything in the cart. So that's pretty awesome. Yeah. I wanted to ask you about payout rates and the types of pay structures for the different affiliate programs that are out there. One of the ones I really love, if I can find them, are the monthly reoccurring ones. So can you kind of touch on like the payout structures, like payout dates and things like that?
That's my favorite part. So, when you're going for an affiliate, there's multiple ways you can get paid. You can get paid a percentage of what a person purchases. You get a flat fee for what a product they sign up for. So, for instance, there's one company, that I'm an affiliate for, that they pay me, $10 for every time someone just gets a quote. Doesn't cost them nothing, doesn't cost me nothing. And it's just $10 for someone filling out an application to get an estimate or a quote for this particular service. And then you have some where they will pay you if they sign up for a membership, and let's say that membership is $99. You'll get $10 a month or $20 a month every single month that they are a member of that business. So that's how you build some recurring income.
George does not disappoint. If you got some value from that video, which I know you did, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos just like this. Now, in the meantime, I want you to go out, find an affiliate program that you can sign up for, start earning those commissions, and I'll see you in the next video.